So these puppies are super cute.
Okay, so this is seeing the puppies for week 6, and look how happy they are to see me. So look at Loki, week 6, and he's turned into a right little fat sausage. Look at the size of him. Because I see him every week, it's like unbelievable how big they actually get in a week and how clever they are. So I'm just having cuddles with him so he remembers me, and his mum Ruby is licking me and giving me big slobby kisses. But you know what, it doesn't matter because it's good to know mum as well. At 6 weeks old, these Cavapoo puppies are really becoming more active and playful. They're starting to explore their surroundings and develop their own little personalities. They're learning basic commands and beginning to understand social cues from their little mates and their human caregivers. But I just pick them all up because they're all so cute. Listen to this one making a little cute noise. It's so cute. At this age, Cavapoo puppies will also start to be weaned from their mother's milk and transition to solid food. They should also be given a balanced diet to support their growth and development. It's important to continue socialising Cavapoo puppies at this stage by exposing them to different people, places and experiences. So this will help them become well adjusted and confident. But because this breeder lets everybody come round and play with the puppies and spend time with them, they actually are well adjusted to human contact.
Who should we get next?
I like to pick all the puppies up and give them all a fuss so they're all well handled. They're so cute, honestly. The amount of videos I take, I've realised when I listen back that I constantly say the word, "Oh, you're such a cutie. Oh, look how cute you are." And literally I must have said it like 1,000 times. Last week I got to bath Loki as well. If you haven't seen that video, go back and have a look. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to watch their weekly progress and give this video a like if you like what you see.
You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie. I'm tired. You going? Hey? You hiding? Yeah. You hiding?
It's lovely seeing them so playful and with mom as well. They're just so cute to watch. There's mom, look, playing around with her little pup. It's just so cute. And there I go, I've said it again. Documenting my puppy's life from birth is a way for me to create a lasting memory of their growth and development from the first moments of their lives to the milestones they achieve as they grow. I want to be able to look back and cherish every moment. It's a way for me to hold on to the precious memories and share them with others who may appreciate the journey as much as I do. I'm so in love with him. Look at him, his puppy dog eyes. I just love picking him up and giving him cuddles. I really can't wait to take him home. I also wanted to share this experience with others because I believe it can be a source of joy and inspiration. By documenting and sharing this story of my puppy's life, I hope to bring a smile to the faces of those who are following along, whether it's by sharing heartwarming stories or simply cute pictures and videos. I want to spread positivity and happiness through the joy that my puppy brings to my life. I believe that by sharing this journey of raising a puppy, I can offer insights, lessons, and even seek guidance from those who are on a similar path. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. I'll be documenting my puppy's life each week, so far from his birth up until 6 weeks. If you look back, you'll see all the videos I've posted from his growth. Honestly, holding these guys is such a joy. I'm so in love with all of them. I'm actually going to miss Loki's siblings when they all go. But just look at their little faces. If you're watching this and you own a Cavapoo puppy, please write in the comments. Let me know what information you can give me and how you can help me on my journey, or Loki on his journey. Look at Mum doing a fantastic job feeding her pups still. Look at the little black one climbing all over her. It's so cute to watch. She's such a good mom. They're so happy, all of them, and content and playful. Honestly, I could just be around them all the time. I only go round once a week, so I try and make the most of it while I'm there. Look at Mum, that's when she's had enough. She jumps up on the sofa knowing they can't get to her. Look how cute this little black one is. Stay tuned, guys, so next week I'll have another update when the puppies are 7 weeks old. Please subscribe and like.